everyone, I'm Pia.
Hello, everybody. I'm Cullen.
And here we go to see what those voices of the light want to share with us today and who shows up.
Here we go.
Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here because we love you. And we wish to support you and help guide you on this evolutionary journey. Oh my, you are feeling so much pressure from the chaos in the outer world, and we want to be here to remind you, as we said in the energetic message earlier for today's energy, this is the energy of planting. So we'd like to ask you, what seeds are you planting from your internal state? Are you planting seeds of worry, fear, all kinds of concern about the chaos in the outer world? Or are you planting seeds from the openings that are happening within you, the spaces where you can breathe more freely, where you feel a little moment of bliss or a glimpse of something different that you're here to explore? Are you here to plant seeds about the abundance of what you bring to this transitory process? To say, I bring my light and I'm planting seeds for that light to go forward and shine and make a difference? Or are you being a dark cloud, planting seeds of why nothing's going right and how you don't like it? This is a day of 8 universal energy abundance, connection, and planting energy of which we've already spoken. So we want to enhance in our video today that you have a choice here on this planet of duality, and the seeds that you plant through your heart wisdom and through your minds listening to your heart to open up new creative spaces are the seeds that will create your future reality, your passageway into the new earth, your becoming your future self. We know, we watch, we understand that the world is an unprecedented, chaotic time. Everything is unfolding very rapidly, and you can see the great split more around you now than ever before. So as you look at the great split, ask yourself, I'm on the path of going in what direction? What am I supposed to be doing? How can I keep my center in the midst of the storm? How can I plant seeds for a better world? Because you know, dear ones, you didn't just come here to have a good time. This is not, as we tell Pia and Cullen every day, this is not a vacation planet. This is a planet where you come to clear out everything that is blocking your process of evolution, everything that is traumatic, that has hurt you, and where you claim all of the gifts of who you are that are showing up in multiple parallel dimensions. These are the seeds that you wish to claim and plant for the future that you are building. You cannot really plan for any kind of future without looking at how you are right now. We always tell everyone we talk to, it's not so much about what you do, but about how you do it. So we're asking you in this big question of how are you planting the seeds of your thoughts? How are you dealing with your emotions? How are you allowing them to guide you into a higher vibratory state? How are you being you in your fullest and freest form with kindness, gratitude, grace, love, compassion, trust in the process, all of the things that you came here with as your natural state? These are the feelings that make you realize and recognize the true abundance of who you are and who is around you, not what you see in the reflection of the illusion of all those who have not found their way yet, or are lost in the illusion, or in those that are trying to control you. Those are external circumstances. And yes, we acknowledge external circumstances do impact you. We know that. However, you're here to make your light and your energy raise the frequency enough that the external circumstances begin to shift, that those who are controlling from the darkness and ignorance begin to realize that they can't sustain the vibration of where you are bringing frequency into the world. So what seeds are you planting? Plant your seeds from the place of trust. Plant your seeds from a place of appreciation for the beauty that is around you, and not from the desolation that you fear or that you see of things that have been destroyed. Remember that everything that is destroyed is an opening for something new and better to arrive. You can be like a group of phoenix who burn yourselves to the ground, eliminating everything that doesn't work for you, and rise up again in the fullness of your true light, the divine light of who you are. These are the seeds that will hold most promise for your planting your future. These are the seeds that will lead you forward into becoming who you truly are as your future selves. You are concerned about money, and we understand that the monetary controls are tightening around you. But as you shift in your heart to recognize that abundance is not about money, and that you'll be able to be abundant in supplying everything you need as you step into the new paradigm with all of your gifts, all of your trust, and all of your excitement about what comes next, then all the fear that you're feeling about money will go away. It won't be necessary anymore because you have abundance arriving to you every moment that you trust the process of what you are going through. Trust is the key. Gratitude is another key. Patience, which many of you have lost in this long process because you've been working for so long. Patience is also helpful, but we don't mean to sit back and be patient and wait for something to be handed to you. We mean to be patient with what you see that you don't like by simply turning away and saying, nope, not that path, not that direction. I'm going in a different way. And trusting that with your patient approach and calmness from your heart, you are planting seeds to create something massively different than what you're experiencing now. Cullen always tells people that anything new should be 50% scary and 50% exciting. So we're telling you, yes, you may be a little anxious, a little uneasy, a little unsure about what's coming next. Yes, you may be a little scared about how you're going to survive, but move that fear aside and instead invite in the excitement of what could be better than this. What is coming that I can put my entire trust in and all of my creative energy joined with it in order to be a co-creator for the new reality? The new earth, as we have spoken many times, is an earth of frequency, and the future humans that you are becoming as cosmic citizens are also beings of frequency. As you dwell in higher and higher vibration, raising your frequency to the highest levels of who you are through these positive feelings that you have, you are securing your pathway of moving towards the new earth. When you stumble and fall back into the grumpiness or the complaints or the fear of what is going around externally, outside of you, that impacts you for the moment, remember, it is only impacting you for a moment, for you're on a different path, and you're moving forward in a way that is going to be a very, very different world very soon. Your star brothers and sisters, your inner earth beings, the divine feminine, the angelic kingdom, the David kingdom, all of us are supporting you. All of us are encouraging you. Remember who you are. Remember you're a divine spark of light. Open your heart and let the heart's wisdom and guidance lead your mind and lead you through the choices that you need to make. Some will be difficult. We do not deny that. But as we said, this is not a vacation planet. So make the difficult choices that you need to make, trusting that as you move through each challenge, a new possibility is going to open for you. We remind you also that you're living through the greatest time of purification that humanity has ever gone through. What you're going through right now rivals what happened in Atlantis. What is your choice? What are you going to do to bring connection and abundance into your world as you create it by the seeds that you plant today? What are you doing to be fully and truly who you are? Plant your seeds with trust, with love, and nurture them with more love and more trust and gratitude that you have the opportunity to make a difference. Those who carry the light are in the highest frequency, and you have more power and more profound ability to make a difference than all of the millions who struggle in darkness and are confused. Remember that. You may be outnumbered when you look at numbers, but you are not outpowered. Your power and the light that each of you carry in the highest frequency is more profound and more powerful than all the millions who are slowly diminishing in their own power because they are living in fear, or they're following a paradigm that is dying. You're building the new paradigm, and we are here to support you, help you plant the right seeds, light your path, and just surround you with love. We love you. Good always.
Well, that was a very positive message.
And seeing what's happening all around us with the wars and the forest fires and everything else that's going on in the politics in the world, I think that message was really helpful for us to remember, go inward. Go inward. Don't pay too much attention to the outside world. We have to notice what's going on. We have to do what we can to make a difference and change it, but we shouldn't dwell in it because that just brings our vibration down.
One thing that we need to understand is that all of these things we see are not necessarily happening in our very neighborhood. They're happening somewhere in the world, but that doesn't mean that we're directly affected. All of the negative things, all of the things that we wish were not happening are not happening worldwide. They're not happening in every neighborhood. They're not happening in every country or every state or every province. So we can't let ourselves get bogged down thinking this is everywhere, this is everything, because it's not. It's part of the natural falling apart, as Laarkmaa just explained, and Pia just brought back up. It's only part of the whole.
And we can't really reach the whole if we don't embrace all of these things as experiences that we need to move through with grace, with flow, with trust, and always with love.
If we send compassion and love and courage out to everyone, every situation that we see that's degrading or harmful, we're doing the best we can possibly do by adding that positive energy to all of these things that seem unnecessary or cruel or just not positive in what's happening. If we spend time sending out those energies, love, compassion, courage, it does make a difference. Laarkmaa is absolutely right when they say we're more powerful than we understand ourselves to be. When we broadcast our generosity of heart, when we broadcast the love that we know is available to everyone, it truly does make a difference.
We love you. We'll see you again next week.
Bye-bye for now.
Hi, everyone. This is Pia.
Hi, everybody. This is Cullen.
We're inviting you to be part of a fantastic event that we're going to be offering in beautiful Sedona, where the energy is supportive of transformation. Join us for a live event with Laarkmaa and the other voices from the light, while they will be bringing forth ideas about our ascension process, steps for positive change, informing us with new cosmic wisdom, all kinds of things going forward. The presentation will be live, and it will have an opportunity for everyone there to ask questions and participate, talk to Cullen and me. It's going to be a great, exciting event, joining together in community to help everyone on this ascension process. We hope that everyone could be there. We'd love for all of you to be there. However, seats are limited, so please sign up early to make sure you reserve your space. There's a link for how to sign up below. And for those of you elsewhere on the globe who cannot make it to Sedona, we will be offering a live stream, and there's a link for that if you'd like to join the live stream as well.
So we hope that everybody who wants to participate, whether it's in person here in Sedona or whether it's virtually, remotely, through the live stream anywhere in the world. We hope that all of you are excited and would really like to connect with Laarkmaa again here in America.
The date is August 1st, and there'll be details below this video so you can find out more about it, where to sign up, and everything about it that you need to know.
So we hope to see all of you there, either in person or virtually.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.